this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall pandas from your VS Code. So, to uninstall pandas, simply open your VS Code and head on to the terminal. Then, once you're inside the terminal, you need to type in the following command. The command is pip uninstall pandas. Then, once you have typed in the following command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the process to start. And here you can see that the uninstallation of the pandas is being carried out and you need to an input in order to proceed. So simply type in Y and hit the enter button again. And here you can see this message which says successfully uninstalled pandas and the version which is 2.2.3. So that's how you can uninstall pandas from your system using VS Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.